All right, good morning. Today we are going to be talking about decimals and representing decimals. This is a PowerPoint presented by yours truly, Mr. Rambaran, and let's go. So today our fourth grade TEK is 2E. It says numbers and operations. The student applies mathematical processes, standards to represent, compare, and order whole numbers and decimals, and understand relationships related to place value. The student is expected to represent decimals, including tenths and hundredths, using concrete and visual models and money. So our I can statement is I can demonstrate how decimals are represented by using real money and forming dollar amounts. So first let's talk about what is a decimal. A decimal is any number in our base 10 number system. The decimal point is used to separate the ones place from the tens place in decimals. It is also used to separate dollars from cents in money. And you can see here in our decimal place value chart, our ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands are separated by the decimal point that then follows with tenths, hundredths, and thousands. So, now that we've talked a little bit about what is a decimal, let's start in practice. So today here we have a chart that's labeled with our bills and coins, our money amount, our fraction that the money amount will be making, and it's a decimal amount. Alright, so let's go ahead and count our first section of coins. So here we have a quarter that represents 25 cents. We have 2 nickels that represents 5 cents, a dime that represents 10 cents, and a penny that represents 1 cent. So let's go ahead and write those down. So we have 1 quarter, 1 dime, 2 nickels, and 1 penny. So let's add all those up to see what our mixed fraction is, our mixed number is. So we have 25 cents, 10 cents, we add those together, that's 30 cents. We have another 5 cents, 2 5 cents, so together that would be 10 cents. So now we're at 35, we're at 45, and 1 penny. So now we are at 46 cents. 46, which our fraction will be over 100, because there's 100 coins that will equal $1. So for this decimal, it is going to be 0.46. And that is our cents. Let's go ahead and practice again. Alright, so here we have 1 quarter that represents 25 cents, 1 dime that represents 10 cents, and 1 penny that represents 1 cent. So let's write those down. We have 1 quarter, 1 dime, and 1 penny. So we'll add those up. 25 plus 10 plus 1, we're looking at 36 cents over 100. So let's write this in decimal form to get our cents amount. So our cents amount is going to be 0.36 cents. Alright, let's practice our last one. This one is going to be a little different because we threw in a whole dollar. So with a whole dollar, we are going to now have one whole number. So let's see what the cents and whole number adds up to. So we have $1. We have 2 dimes, 1 nickel, and 1 penny. So we have $1, we have 20 cents and dimes, 1 nickel, and 1 penny. So let's add all those up. So we are going to have one whole number for representing our dollar. We have 25 cents, 5 cents, and 1 cent. So let's add that up. It equals to 26 cents. And that is going to be over 100 because that is our whole number, our whole dollar amount. So when we write this out into decimal form, we are going to keep our whole number, which is our whole dollar. Then we are going to put our decimal point in and write 26 cents. So that is our final dollar amount for that problem. Alright, so if you liked this video and you learned anything, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.